Welcome to the channel. Today, we're mastering the pronunciation of the word vagina. It might seem simple, but let's break it down to make sure you're saying it just right. The correct pronunciation is vagina. First, we have v, where the V is pronounced as usual, and it sounds like v in Vulcan. Then j, where j rhymes with pie. Finally, n, where the n is soft, and sounds like the a in sofa. Let's put it all together slowly, vagina. Now repeat after me. Vagina. A little faster, vagina. And at full speed, vagina. Keep practicing, and soon you'll have it down. Now that you've nailed the pronunciation, let's quickly go over the meaning. Vagina is the muscular canal that connects the uterus to the outside of the body, and it plays a key role in childbirth and sexual function. That's it. Now you know how to pronounce vagina and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like, share it with others, and comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next. Don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.